Yeah, hi all. Today we will check the difference between heap memory and stack memory and other memories in Java. So in Java, memory is divided into different areas for efficient management of resources. The two primary areas are heap memory and stack memory. But there are other areas as well, such as metaspace. Let's break down them. Number one, heap memory. Second, stack memory. Third, metaspace. Previously, perm_gen in older Java versions. Native method state, program counter register. So, what is heap memory? So, the purpose is the heap is used for dynamic memory allocations. All objects and their instance variables are stored in the heap memory. Size. Heap memory is usually larger than stack memory and is shared among all threads of an application. Lifetime. Objects in the heap are live from their creation until they are no longer referenced, at which point they become eligible for garbage collection. Access. Objects are accessed globally by any thread within the application. Management. Managed by the Java Virtual Machine JVM, primarily through the garbage collector. Example, when you use new to create an object, new my class, the object is allocated in the heap. Second is stack memory. The purpose the stack is used for static memory allocation. It stores the methods calls, local variables, and references to objects in heap memory. Size. Stack memory is smaller than heap memory and is thread specific. Each thread has its own stack. Lifetime. Variables stored in the stack are alive until the method that created them completes its executions. Once the method call is over, the memory is freed. Access to the stack is faster since it follows the last in first out order for pushing and popping method frames. Management. Managed automatically by the JVM, no garbage collection is required since the data is freed when the method execution holds. Example, local variable inside methods are stored in the stack. If you declare int x is equal to 10, inside method x will be in the stack. Metaspace, previously perm_gen in older Java version. The purpose is metaspace is used to store metadata about the classes and the methods like class structures, method data loaded by the JVM. Size. Unlike the older perm_gen, which had a fixed size, metaspace grows dynamically based on the classes loaded by the application. Lifetime. Metaspace holds data for classes loaded by the JVM and the data remains until the classes are unloaded. Management. Metaspace memory is managed by the JVM, but there is no garbage collection as in heap memory. However, the JVM may unload unused classes to the free metaspace memory. Example, when you load a class using class.forName, information about this class is stored in the metaspace. Fourth one, native method stack. Purpose used by the JVM to manage memory for native methods. Methods written in languages like C or C++. Size. It is similar to the stack memory, but is especially for handling native methods. Lifetime. Managed by the JVM as native methods are invoked and completed. Example, if your Java program calls C functions via JNI and Java native interface, the memory required for this will be allocated on the native method stack. Program counter register. Purpose. Each thread in Java has a program counter, which keeps track of the next instruction to execute. Is part of the thread memory and not accessible to the other threads. Size very small since it just stores the address of the current instruction. Lifetime. It changes as the thread executes its methods. Management managed automatically by the JVM. Now we will check the key differences between the heap and the stack memory. So purpose dynamic memory for objects, stack memory for local variables and method calls. If we see size, larger shared across all threads in heap memory, in stack memory smaller thread specific. Lifetime, objects lives as long as they are referenced in heap memory. Data is freed when the method finishes. Garbage collections, yes, managed by the JVM in heap. No, automatically freed after the method executions. Access speed is slower compared to stack in heap memory, faster due to LIFO nature. Last in, first out. Summary of other memories areas. Metaspace stores class metadata dynamically growing introduced in Java 8. Native method stack for native code generation execution. Program counter registers keep track of the next instruction of each thread. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new content. Thank you very much.